What if you could write a message without typing, send a reply without speaking, just think it, and your device writes it for you? It may sound impossible, but science is already making it real. Welcome to Tech Science Insights, where the future becomes clear. If you love exploring the intersection of mind, machine, and humanity, consider subscribing. It's just one click to stay informed. Today, we explore a technology that's breaking the barrier between thought and action, the mind-to-text interface, where your thoughts can become text instantly. What is thought-to-text technology? Imagine this. You're thinking, "I'm hungry," and a message appears on your screen saying exactly that. You didn't say it. You didn't type it. You just thought it. That's exactly what thought-to-text technology is aiming to achieve. Also known as neurotranslation, this system decodes your brain's electrical signals and converts them into words. Here's how it works. Your brain naturally generates electrical activity when you think or imagine language. Tiny sensors, placed on your head or even inside your skull, capture those brain signals. AI models, often using natural language processing, NLP, then translate those patterns into real-time text. It's not reading your mind like magic. It's reading your brainwaves like data, real examples that already exist. This may sound futuristic, but it's already happening. Example 1, Meta's silent speech interface Meta, Facebook's parent company, is developing a wearable headset that decodes brain activity into text without speaking. It's meant to let users type messages just by thinking them. Example 2, Neuralink, Elon Musk. In 2023, Neuralink implanted a brain chip in a paralyzed man who then used it to type sentences on a screen with his mind. No hands, no voice. Just thought. Example 3, UC San Francisco's Brain Decoder. Researchers created an AI system that translated brain activity into full sentences from volunteers imagining them in their heads. Accuracy? Over 75%. And improving. Example 4, ALS patients. Communicating again, people who lost all movement due to ALS are now able to speak again using brainwave headsets, regaining their voice through thought-text translation. These are not lab theories. These are real human stories. Proof that the mind-machine bridge is being built. How it actually works. So how does a machine turn neurons into nouns? Let's break it down. Electrodes are sensors placed on the scalp, non-invasive, or inside the brain. Invasive, to record electrical signals called EEGs. Signal processing brain signals are extremely noisy. AI filters the signal to extract the meaningful patterns linked to language, intent, and thought. Neural networks, like GPT. Deep learning models trained on hundreds of thought-speech pairs learn to match patterns in brain activity to actual words. Predictive correction. Like autocorrect, the AI fills in uncertain gaps based on language models, boosting accuracy. Live display. Finally, the interpreted sentence is displayed on a screen or sent as a message, all without speech or typing. Some systems are even working on silent inner voice detection. Capturing thoughts you don't say out loud, just imagine. It's telepathy through technology. How it could help humanity. Here's why this tech matters. Not just for curiosity, but for lives. Medical miracles. Paralyzed, mute, or locked-in patients can finally communicate again, restoring their voice, their identity, and their dignity. Faster workflows. Writers, coders, and thinkers may soon create ideas as fast as they think them. No keyboard needed. Global communication. One day, your thoughts may be translated in real time into another language, helping humans understand each other better. Special needs. People with autism, speech delay, or cognitive disorders could gain a new way to express themselves. Emergency situations. Imagine typing a distress signal when you can't move or speak. This tech could literally save lives. It's a technology that doesn't just read your mind, it frees it. But as with every great technology, there's a dark side too. Privacy concerns. If your brain data can be recorded, who owns your thoughts? Could companies listen to your mind to advertise? Control risks. Could thoughts be misinterpreted or even manipulated? Surveillance. In the wrong hands, brain reading could become the ultimate tool for spying. As Muslims, we are taught in Islam that only Allah knows the secrets of the heart. The Quran says, "And He is the knower of the unseen and the thoughts of the heart." No machine should cross the boundary of qadr, divine will, and privacy of the soul. Tech must help us, not replace our moral compass. This isn't just science. It's a test of how we use knowledge. So, will you one day send a message just by thinking it? Will students write essays without touching a keyboard? Will a paralyzed child say, "I love you" again with his thoughts? The answer is yes. It's already happening. But the future is not just in machines. It's in how we choose to use them. This was Tech Science Insights. Thank you for watching. If this expanded your mind, consider subscribing, because the next message you send might come straight from your brain.